after the evening meal started. It's Ramadan here in Pakistan, as it is elsewhere in the Muslim world, and so everybody eats